Baspous was a lazy orange cat who loved tuna more than anything in the world. One night, while wandering near a river looking for food, he noticed something glowing in the water. Suddenly, a golden fish jumped into the air. Baspous stepped back in shock. The fish spoke in a magical voice. "I am the golden fish. I can grant you 3 wishes." Baspous's eyes widened with excitement. 3 wishes? Without thinking for even 1 second, he shouted, "I want unlimited tuna." The fish sighed. "Very well." Suddenly, tuna started falling from the sky everywhere. Inside houses, on the streets, on moving cars. People screamed as giant tuna cans crashed around the city. At first, Baspous was happy. He rolled around inside the tuna mountain, laughing proudly. But then, the pile became too huge. He got trapped under thousands of tuna cans. "Me!" After finally escaping, dirty and exhausted, Baspous shouted, "Okay, second wish. I want to become the strongest cat alive." In seconds, Baspous transformed into a giant muscular cat. He flexed proudly. "Nobody can stop me now." But the moment he took 1 step, crack, the floor broke beneath him. Then the stairs collapsed. Then the entire house fell apart. Baspous froze in horror. At that exact moment, a tiny chihuahua barked at him from outside. Woof! Even with giant muscles, Baspous screamed in fear and jumped straight through a wall. Now the city was destroyed. The streets smelled like tuna, and Baspous sat alone in the middle of the chaos. The golden fish slowly appeared again. One final wish remains. This time, Baspous stayed quiet for a moment. Then he lowered his ears sadly and whispered, "I wish everything goes back to normal." The golden fish smiled. Suddenly, the tuna disappeared. The broken buildings repaired themselves. The streets became clean again, and Baspous returned to his normal size. Everything was finally peaceful. Baspous smiled with relief, but a few seconds later, his stomach growled loudly. He looked at the fish and quietly asked, "Can I still have a little tuna?" The golden fish disappeared into the water and muttered, "Orange cats should never be trusted with magic." And from that day on, Baspous was officially banned from making wishes forever.